Artificial intelligence is becoming more dangerous day by day. With the help of AI, many things are possible today that were considered impossible even yesterday. The future may have more surprises than we can even imagine. Let's keep it for the future. But some AI tools are capable of stealing your identity right now. All it takes is just a picture of you, and your face can be copied. Tomorrow, you might find yourself conversing with someone in a place you've never even heard of, nor did he see the person's face. However, in our today's video, we will talk about one such AI tool that can change the face of a person in a video. So let's get started. Today, I will run the AI tool with Google Colab. If you have a high configuration computer with a decent GPU, then you can install it locally. I will make a separate video on how can you install the tools in your system. But now we will use Google Colab. I will put the link in the description below. Just click on the link and you will in this page. This is Roop one-click DeepFake. And it's a free tool. Before getting started, you have to connect to a server. Click on Connect button from here. You may have to solve a CAPTCHA. After connecting to the server, come to the left side of the page and click on the folder icon. A new tab will be open. Now we have to upload our target video and source image. For doing this, click on the file upload icon from here. I have collected a video of Captain America for the target video and an image of Elon Musk as the source image. Okay, select both of them and click on Open button. A warning pop-up will appear, just click on OK. Alright, our files have been uploaded successfully. Now we will start the main task. Go to Clone Roop repo and install dependencies, and click on the Cell Run button. You will see another warning, just click on Run anyway. It will take approximately 2 minutes for completing the process. I will fast forward this part. After completing the installation, click on the drop-down button and then run the download model. It will take 7 to 8 seconds. Now the main task begins. We will swap faces from the video with this deepfake tool. In the very first line, you can see target. Here we will put our target video. Go to the folder option and click on the three-dot menu of your target video. Then select copy path. After that, select content/video.mp4 and paste the target video path by pressing Ctrl+V. Now we will change the source image path from here. Click on the three-dot menu of your source image and select copy path and then paste it on the source image path. Now click on the Run button. Oh, there is an error. It says unrecognized arguments. Video quality 18. That means the AI model is showing an error for this line, video quality 18. Delete the line from the shell. You may face another error if your target or source file's name contains space. Okay, let's run the model again. Now it's working perfectly. Now AI will do its work. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. Alright, AI has done its work. Let's download our output file. Go to the Directory tab and refresh the directory. Now you will find a new file named swapped.mp4. Click on the three-dot menu and then select Download. Your file will download instantly. Let's play the video.
Every time someone tries to win a war before it starts, innocent people die. Every time.
I'm sorry.
OMG, Elon Musk is now acting in cinema. It's just awesome. The AI tool perfectly captures the expression, gestures, and even the wrinkles. Let's play the original and enhanced video together.
Every time someone tries to win a war before it starts, innocent people die. Every time.
That's unbelievable. Really impressive. Now if you want to change the target video, then just upload another target video, copy the file path, and paste it here. And if you want to swap faces with another person, then upload the scorch image and paste the file path here. I will try some other faces in this video. I will try it with Mr. Bean, Joe Biden, and Chris Hemsworth. After uploading your source images, copy the file path and paste it as source image. In this way, you can create unlimited deep fake videos. And the best thing is this tool is totally free. You don't have to spend a single penny. Even you don't need GPU. That's really impressive. The creator of this tool deserves a big thumbs up. Okay, let's enjoy all the video footage.
Every time someone tries to win a war before it starts, innocent people die. Every time. Every time someone tries to win a war before it starts, innocent people die. Every time. Every time someone tries to win a war before it starts, innocent people die. Every time. Every time someone tries to win a war before it starts, innocent people die. Every time.
Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of deepfake video creation. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!